Well, today I'm going to show you how to arm a cube.
Oh, you're going to arm us a cube. Cool. Now, what's the technique to use it? How can you form it or what? It's like math or what?
Yes, like you said, it's almost like math. Okay?
Well, that's incredible. Now, in my left hand, I have a stopwatch. And I'm going to time you how many minutes or seconds do you take. And for a second, tell me, how many minutes or seconds do you know how to arm it?
Well, I can make it, I think I can make it in less than 1 minute.
Less than 1 minute. Okay, let's see. Are you ready?
Yes.
100%?
Yes.
50%?
No.
Okay, then 100%. Let's start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Okay, as you can know, he said he arms in less than 1 minute. Let's see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, he's arming it so fast. Incredible. Like he told us, it needs a lot of practice to arm that powerful and breaking heads thing. Wow, incredible.
Done.
Okay, Carlos, we saw that you armed the cube in 54 seconds. Incredible. Wow, that's amazing. Now tell us, what is your technique to arm it so fast? Explain us. Do you make shrimp? Just kidding. Tell us.
Well, just practicing. All day almost, yeah.
All day? Well, that's incredible. Well, thank you so much, Carlos, that you show us how to arm the cube. Thank you so much. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. Zu Leoncito Jesus Gutierrez. Now,